Place the chicken breast in the egg mixture. This preparation makes the meat melt in your mouth. Take one large chicken breast and slice it lengthwise as shown in the video, then make small cuts on the surface. Pound the meat thinly with a meat mallet. In a large bowl, add about 200 grams of flour. In a second large bowl, crack 3 eggs, adding salt and pepper to taste, and mix well. Finely chop fresh parsley and add it to the egg bowl. Next, add around 50 grams of mozzarella. Parmesan can also be used. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and mix thoroughly. Now, coat the prepared chicken in the flour and then in the egg mixture. Melt butter in a skillet, then place the chicken breast in. Cook over low heat for about 5 minutes on each side. Once done, transfer the chicken to a plate. In the same skillet, add 150 milliliters of broth. Grate 3 cloves of garlic and add to the pan, bringing it to a boil. Add a large handful of chopped parsley and the freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. After a moment, add around 20 grams of butter. Return the cooked chicken breast to the skillet and cook, covered for about 10 minutes. This dish pairs well with mashed potatoes. Simply add butter and your favorite seasonings to boiled potatoes and mix well. This meal is now ready. Juicy chicken breast in an egg batter makes a perfect dinner that melts in your mouth.